Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to pay less shipping on Pandabuy. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. To save on shipping costs when using Pandabuy, here are some tips. Combine multiple items into one shipment to reduce the overall shipping cost. Sign up for a new account and use coupon packs to get discounts on shipping. Some shipping methods are cheaper than others. Use the estimated shipping cost feature to compare prices. If possible, remove boxes and tags to reduce the weight and size of your package. Keep an eye out for any shipping promotions or discounts offered by Pandabuy. By following these easy steps, you can easily reduce your shipping cost on Pandabuy. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.